Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World. In this video, we are going to learn how to cook very yummy Bhuna chicken masala. Please like and subscribe my channel. Chicken 500 gram, salt as per taste, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, half lemon, roasted cumin seed powder half teaspoon, red chilli powder 1 teaspoon. Marinate the chicken with these 5 ingredients. Mix it well and keep this marinated chicken in fridge for at least 1 hour. Dry red chillies 4 to 6, Shah Jeera 1/4 teaspoon, cloves 4 to 6, black pepper 8 to 10, cardamom 3, coriander powder half teaspoon, Kasuri Methi half teaspoon, dry roast red chillies, cloves, cardamom and Shah Jeera for 2 minutes on low flame. In a hot pan, take 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Add finely chopped onions and fry it for 4 to 5 minutes. Add 2 to 3 pinch of turmeric powder. Fry it till it turns golden brown. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of gram flour. Fry it on very low flame for 2 minutes. Add 2 to 3 tomato puree and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Add 2 chopped green chilies. Now add we already dry roasted spices and cook it. Add salt to taste. Add marinated chicken, mix it well and fry it for 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1.5 cup of water and mix it well. Now put the pressure cooker lid and cook it for 1 whistle. Add dry roasted and crushed Kasuri Methi and half teaspoon of garam masala and mix it well. Finally add chopped coriander leaves and switch off the flame. Our tasty Bhuna chicken masala is ready now. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.